welcome back to the channel GRDBA. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful yet lesser known tools in the Oracle ecosystem, Oracle Machine Learning for SQL on Autonomous Database. Just SQL, no Python, no R. First, create our notebook that we will use to run our model. We are going to explore the data of the sales. You are going to use the data of the sales table on SH schema. Let's find first what is the last, the distinct months that we have per year on our data. So we are going to create later a view, and we are going to exclude the 4 last months to have a comparison, method for comparison for the amount sold against the amount predicted by our model. So we have created the view. Let's count the number of rows we have. We have around 800,000 rows, around, or more of them. And then we are going to see some of those data. And then we are going to create our model using the DBMS data mining package of the Oracle database. Here is the command that we are going to use. Here are the parameters. We are setting the algorithm name, the EXSM interval, which defines the interval of the data sets. Here is a quarter. The prediction step, which is 4 quarters. The model, which is be EXSM winters, and the seasonality for 4 quarters. We are going to predict for 4 quarters ahead. The XSM model specifies the type of an exponential smoothing model to be used. So, and next we are going to create our model, and here we are defining the model name, the mining function that we are going to use is a time series function, the data they are going to use, a query that we defined, the parameters that we have set before, the case ID column, which is the time ID that will be used, and the amount sold, the target column that we need the prediction for. Now let's run it. We have created the model. And let's evaluate our model. Here we are seeing some of the output, the algorithm name, and some of the settings of our model, and then we are going to see the diagnostics. If you see here, when we are creating our model, several views have been created in the database, starting with the TM $, VG, and 2 characters, and then our model name. We are going to use the VGESM's TS forecast to see the model diagnostics and evaluate our model. And here we are seeing the output, the name, the numeric value, string value, alpha, beta, and then we are going to see our forecast, which to see this we are going to use the TM $VP TS _ forecast view to see the forecast values predicted for this, for the forecasting for the sales for the next 4 quarters. In the setup, we are adding columns to appear in our diagrams. For some reason, I don't know, I need to investigate, the actual sold value is not appearing, only the forecasting, the upper bound and the lower bound. The actual sold is not appearing at all. We can also try it several times, but no luck. But as you can see in the numbers, it's almost the forecasting is quite a little bit different from the actual sold for the one that we have values for some of the quarters, and this is how we can use Oracle Machine Learning for SQL to predict, to forecasting sales for the next quarters. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a nice day.